From its beginnings 100 years ago, the University of Regina has remained committed to making positive contributions to the communities it serves. We are especially proud of our robust research enterprise. We conduct research, both pure and applied, that is meaningful to the Academy and responsive to the needs of society. Whether it is our human justice experience, our arts and culture capabilities, our environmental expertise, or our cutting-edge research in energy and natural resources, University of Regina researchers are expanding the frontiers of knowledge. I invite you to discover the scope of the research conducted at the University of Regina. Come along and meet some of the innovative faculty members whose research is making our communities and our world a better place.
Over the last 30 years, the university has grown substantially and has certainly over that time developed the reputation that it has today. That's a 20-year exercise to build that international renown and really to make things hum here from a research perspective.
Some of the work that we're doing on the effects of nitrogen fertilizers on water quality are being picked up by the Chinese Environmental Protection Agency because they have the same sorts of issues we have in Saskatchewan, but in a much more severe context. And new insights, I think, are always picked up by innovators in other areas.
My research includes designing, planning, and carrying out experiments in particle physics. This is done in accelerator laboratories within large international collaborations. And my current research project, called GlueX, is at Jefferson Lab in Newport News, Virginia, and it aims to study the fundamental nuclear glue that holds all matter together, and we hope with that it'll further the understanding of our universe.
We have a solution to the reduction of greenhouse gas emissions. The work we're doing on CO2 capture is very significant, and it is setting a standard that others really have to try to match.
My research work generally focuses on the two things you're not supposed to talk about in polite company, namely religion and politics, and the connection between them. We're supposed to question the most fundamental things about the status quo, about the world as it is, and about the establishment. And the U of R is definitely a place where it's much easier to do that. I've been instrumental, with the help of a lot of support from my colleagues, to establish a graduate program, a master's program in social and political thought. Encourages students to think innovatively about modern problems and to think of innovative solutions to them and to look at historically as well as philosophically.
What I find most interesting is the impact that the research can make in the lives of seniors. And also it offers a wonderful opportunity to work with various seniors, colleagues, community partners, not only within Regina, throughout Canada and around the world. Falls are a significant public health issue. We know 1 in 3 senior falls each year, and it costs the Canadian healthcare system quite a bit.
I'm the Canada Research Chair in Interactive Media and Performance. So all of the arts practices that are associated with hip-hop culture, whether it's rapping, emceeing, DJing, graffiti arts, breakdancing. One of the things that I love about working here at the university and being able to do the research is the relationships that I'm able to build with community. This program has had some very tangible effects. We have seen the attendance go up and become consistent. We've seen young people graduating with credits. And now what we have seen is a number of these young people, and particularly our Aboriginal youth, enrolling at the University of Regina and First Nations University.
The 3 content areas that I focus in is sexual health, particularly of young women, end-of-life care with Aboriginal families, and anti-violence research, intimate partner violence. My overall research methodology is community-based, participatory action research. It's very action-focused, so whether it's to influence policy, it's something that's going to be given back to those people that can implement the findings and use the research.
My dissertation research actually took me to 3 field trips to Rwanda. The issue that I was seeking to address was the judicial response in the aftermath of mass atrocity. Trying to get an understanding of how events like this can transpire, and certainly down the road, are there means that we can engage in to prevent them?
I would describe our institution as being young and vibrant.
In any activity, it's all about the people. When you're able to work in a productive and collegial environment, then this allows an individual to flourish in their work and also helps you get the potential to make a difference.
I can't wait every day to get to the university and do cool stuff. I'm totally excited by the kind of things we do. I believe they're important for society.
I chose to come to the University of Regina for a number of reasons, but those could be summarized in 2 P's: people and the place.
Some people say it's the best kept secret at University of Regina, and even Regina.
I get to come to work and participate in research projects where I get to answer my 4-year-old question, why? And it's part of my job, in addition to teaching and service, part of my job is research and seeking to answer my why questions.
We're going in the right direction. We have many possibilities for growth, and I think we need to engage them as vigorously as we possibly can. By being all we can be scientifically, we will improve the world globally.